Go lovely rose, tell her that I waste her time, and neither now she knows when I resemble her to thee. Sweet and fair she seems to be. Tell her that's young and shuns to have a grace despite as thou hast sprung in deserts where no man abide, that must have uncommended died. Uncommended died. Go, lovely rose, tell her that I waste her time, and neither now she knows when I resemble her to thee. Sweet and fair she seems to be. Small is the worth of beauty from the light retired, but her come forth and suffer herself to be desired, and not blush so to be admired, so to be admired. Go, lovely rose, tell her that I waste her time, and neither now she knows when I resemble her to thee. Sweet and fair she seems to be. That she, the coming to fate of all things are rare, may read in thee how small a part of time they share, that are so wondrous sweet and fair.